Process of mitosis. Does anyone have any questions? Excuse me. Does anyone have any questions?
What were we talking about?
Mitosis.
What's mitosis?
Did I not just explain it?
Maybe, but I don't really get it. What is it?
Isn't mitosis along with cytokinesis the phases of the cell division?
Well, mitosis is when two cells with identical genetic material are formed from one original cell. This can compare to the times when your parents want to make a copy of a report card or a word. This is in case the original one gets destroyed or damaged. It's to have a second copy.
Okay, but that doesn't really explain how it happens. Like, what exactly is this? Like, I don't get it. Help me.
Doesn't the cell split in 3 stages?
Actually, there are 4 stages. You can remember this because the letters are P, M, A, T.
Portable maintenance access terminal?
No. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
Huh.
Prophase. It has the prefix pro, which means 4. Is that the first phase?
Yep, that's correct. You know the second phase is?
It's metaphase because it's the second one on the board.
Yep. And then it's anaphase and finally telophase.
Wait, in which step do the fibers split the cell and move it to the center of the cell?
That would be the second stage, metaphase. But let's not jump ahead. Let's first start with prophase.
Oh, I know about this phase. It's when the DNA splits and forms chromosomes.
Yep, right here.
Right.
Also, this is when the nuclear and the nucleus start breaking down and disappearing. When the nucleus breaks down, two dark spots appear called centrosomes. The centrosomes of animal cells have a pair of small bodies called centrioles. Plant cells lack these.
So you could remember it like there's centrioles and vacuoles, and there's only one vacuole, and then you can remember it's only in animals because it's like C it starts with a C, and chicken has a C in it, and chicken is an animal.
Well, yeah, you can think of it that way, I guess. Also during prophase, mitotic spindles begin to form in preparation for metaphase. These serve to split the chromatids equally for when the cell divides. There are 2 different types. There's the connector fibers and the polar fibers. The connector fibers are connected from the chromatid to the centrosome. The polar fibers, on the other hand, connect from the centrosome to the cytosome without touching the chromosomes.
I know it's next metaphase, right?
Yep, that's correct. What do you know about that phase?
It's the second phase, and it's when the kinetochore fibers split move the chromosomes into the center of the cell.
Yep, that's correct.
It's a lot of stuff to remember. You expect me to memorize all this stuff?
Yeah.
Come on.
I know that was the 3rd phase also. It's anaphase. It's when the chromatids separate and go to the polar ends of the molecule.
Yep, and do you know anything about the last phase?
Yep, it's telophase. Telo means end, so it's probably the last phase. And also, it's when the chromosomes are at
Wait a second. Telophase? I thought it was telekinesis.
No.
Is that the part where the cell moves?
Well, since this is mitosis, different phases. Oh, kinesis, phases.
It's when the polar ends, the chromosomes are at the polar ends, so the fibers disappear and the chromatid condenses and moves.
Yeah, this is also when a nuclear envelope begins to form at this stage around each set of chromosomes. Also, at the end of telophase, a nucleolus will have developed in each cell.
What? What's a nucleus?
The nucleus is inside the cell.
I don't get this stuff. I give up.
I think I understand it now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad you do. Well, you might want to copy the stuff down, just in case your memory gets damaged or destroyed, because at least you have a second copy.